Greetings, Dub Nation. We have some wonderful news for you. Stephen and Ayesha Curry have welcomed their baby boy, Canon W, Jack Curry, into the world. He posted an adorable photo on Instagram saying, "On this journey, on this quest, protect me, I'm blessed. Canon W, Jack Curry." And of course, Dub Nation came out to congratulate him and Ayesha, saying, "About time they had a boy. Blessings on blessings. Congratulations." Next, Steph Curry. Join us in welcoming Canon to the world, and we are so happy to have another member of the Curry family.